Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. I am Mark, and today I'll be drawing a puppy inside of a Christmas stocking. What you guys need for this drawing is a sheet of paper, a pencil, an ink pen, and some markers. Links to those products I use are in the description below. Remember, while watching this video, you can pause whenever you need a little extra time. Don't forget to watch the end where I color the drawing in and show you what this drawing turns into. It's really cool. All right, we're gonna start with the stocking. So I'm gonna start at the lower part of my page, and I'm gonna draw this rectangular shape that kind of goes over like this, and this is gonna be like the top of the stocking. So we're gonna kind of do some rectangular shape like that. It doesn't have to be a perfect rectangle. We want it to have a little bit of like creases and stuff in it. Then we're going to kind of come down on the left, come down and hook over. So it's going to be like a little curve to the left. And then we'll round the toe area. And then we're going to come back. And then on this side, this is going to come straight down. And then it's going to like bend. That's going to be like the heel area of the stocking. So we're going to come over like that. Then we'll do a little toe curve. Toe shape, and then there'll be a little smaller shape for where the heel is, like that. Now we'll draw the puppy. So we'll start with the puppy's paws. And I'm going to draw a line that comes under this top edge here. So we're going to do this U shape like that. Okay, and then on this side, this one's going to come up and continue over and hook down and come down just to the right of this line here, like that. Then we'll do the same on this side. So we're gonna draw a line like this. Okay, and then this one's gonna come up like that and curve down. Then the puppy's head is gonna come from this side. We're gonna come up like with the neck, like this, and then where this paw is, we're gonna do a little shape like that. Now, we're gonna draw a curve that's right about here. So in the middle of our paws, we're gonna come up and we're gonna draw the nose part. So we're gonna come down like this, and then we're gonna come over to the left. And right where this line is here, if you wanna put this little curve shape like that, what we want to do is right about here, we want to come and meet back up. So draw this little balloon type shape like this. Now, I'm going to start with the eyes next. So we're going to do this elliptical shape like this. And we're going to do another one on the right side. Then I'm going to draw these two little eyeball shapes, these pupils, like that. And I'm going to have some little highlights in there. Then I'm going to come over on this side and I'm going to do the ears. I'm going to come down and follow the shape of this eye right here. So I'm going to kind of follow that shape, and then I'm going to hook this. I don't want to touch the mouth part right here. I don't want to touch that area. So stay away from there, but then come down and then hook this ear up like that. And then down about here, we'll come down and like meet up with that ear. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little tongue in place. So the dog's tongue's gonna hook like this. And then we're gonna loop this quickly, bend that quickly, come up, and we're going to come right about here and do something like that. Then there'll be a little split in the middle of the tongue. Now, right about here, I'm going to do a triangle shape, upside down triangle. So we're going to come from the top edge here, and then we're going to come down. We're going to point right about here. Just like that. We'll do this upside down triangular shape. We'll do this little highlight at the top, and then we'll have a little crease right there. So we'll kind of bend this a little bit. Then we'll put some freckles over here. So do one, then maybe two smaller ones. Now I'm going to try to maybe run this up a little bit fuller in here. Okay, now let's go back to the paws and put some splits in the paws. So we'll do one line here, we'll do another line here, so that'll be the little split from the paws. We'll do the same on this side. All right, from the top of the left eye, draw a line towards the right a little bit. Then from the left side of that line, we're going to come and arc down and meet up to the ear. So we're going to come down like this. And then we're going to hook this up like that. Now I'm going to do a second line right about here. This will be the hat, like a Christmas hat. So we're going to follow that same line, do a little bulge here. So I have a double bulge on the right. And then on the left, we'll go right from where the eye is. We'll extend out, and then we'll come about halfway in between these two lines that we just drew. So we'll hook that back, and we'll do a second line like this. Okay, then we'll do a little curve like this. Just like that. Okay, next step, from the left side here, I'm just going to come up and draw this little squiggly shape like this. Squiggly shape. And then we're going to draw the top of the hat. So right where this line of the forehead comes somewhere about the same spot. We'll come up and we'll bend a little bit. And then what we want to do is we want to meet up over here. So come back to this line here. We'll hook this up. And then right where this is, see the spacing here? It's pretty close. We're going to curve this up and we're going to meet back up with this shape here. Just like that. And then there'll be a little ball shape at the end, like that. Now, I think this dog looks a little bit too big for this stocking. That's okay. We can go ahead and just make this a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to extend this a little bit bigger. Okay. And then even down here, I'm going to come down. I'm just going to make this stocking a little bit bigger so that it can fit this larger dog in place. That's why I'm using a pencil, because pencils are awesome because we can erase them if we make any little mistakes, or if we want to make any adjustments. We can do those adjustments and not have to worry about committing to an ink pen. And then the last thing is I'm going to draw a little curve that follows the ear right there. I'm going to use an ink pen now and outline all of this drawing. All right, grab an eraser and erase all of the pencil lines. If yours didn't turn out like this, it's okay. All you have to do is just go down to the description, click my link, and you can download this video and have some fun coloring in, which is what I'm doing right now. Well, there you go, guys. I just finished drawing a puppy inside of a Christmas stocking. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it if you did, and subscribe to my channel because I do videos every weekday, and I want to see you at the next one. Till then, bye-bye.